like when we all we today learn about the mathematics, linear algebra, about using in data science and machine learning, right? Machine learning. So first, understand what is a scalar and what is a vector. So first, we are going with the what is a scalar. Scale is a single numerical vector with a single numerical. Scale is a single number, just one value. It's in what? We get it the example, right? Of a scalar. Example, first is the speed of a car. Speed of a car. Let's consider 45 kilometer per hour, right? This is a scalar value because it's a single value. Similarly, when you talk about the second example, right? So, second example is temperature in Celsius. Temperature in Celsius is let's consider 35 degrees Celsius, right? This is the scalar value. This is single numerical. When you talk about machine learning and data science project, so we are considering with just like okay, we talk about the use cases in data science, of use cases when we talk about use cases, okay, use cases of scalable. So this is for okay. When we decide a learning rate, when you learn about a muscle learning projects. In that case, we use the learning rate. Learning rate is value is 0.001. This is the scale value, right? And similarly, when you decide some threshold, threshold value. In that case, you use some scale value, right? That's the use cases when you learn about machine learning projects and data science project. This is use cases of the scale value. Similarly, when we are going with a vector, what is a vector? A vector is an order list of number. A vector is an order list of number. What is a list of number? Is like a array order list, right? Array of list. Okay, array of list. So Uh, area of risk. So we get consider and in scalar, the scale carrier scalar is a single value, right? Single value. But when you talk about this vector, they both magnitude and direction. It's speed of okay. With the example, understand reactive with the example. Why we get example? Because examples is a better for understanding, right? So when we with the example, so speed of a car, okay, speed of a car, wait, speed of a car is a 45 kilometer per hour, uh, moving in uh, east east direction, right? That's the both magnitude as well as direction. That's called as a vector, right? And what is the use cases in a machine learning and data science? Just simple concepts simple concepts that we will use that we will use. So, yeah, what's a good example for that example? When we talk about the example, student marks. Okay, student marks. Student marks. Let's consider the IQ, number of study hours, number of study hours, and pass or fail. Right, pass or fail, pass or fail. So, let's consider the 90% IQ and 2 hours of study. Let's fail, right? Then it's 100% IQ and number of study are let's similarly to, but this is a pass. This is a scale, and this is written either in the form of list. Let's use the 92 and fail. Say, right? Something like that is a simple concept of a machine learning project that we are using in the form of that, right? And we get another example is let's consider person. Uh, understand the another example. Let's another example. Person information. Person information, right? So first one we go with the age, height, weight, right? This is the person information, and we you consider it in the form of list. So nothing is a vector, right? In next video we learn about the it is not vector.